Alright, so if you've been waiting for DJI's next big launch, you might want to hold off before setting any reminders. The DJI Osmo 360 and DJI Mic 3 were both expected this July, but things just changed. And yes, there's a catch, so make sure you watch till the end, because there's an update about the release timeline that could impact when you actually get your hands on these devices. Originally, the Osmo 360 was rumored to launch on July 15th, based on leaks from trusted insiders like Jasper Ellens. But now sources are saying DJI is pushing the date to July 29, and they're combining it with the launch of the DJI Mic 3. Two products, one big drop, very DJI style. Let's talk specs real quick. The Osmo 360 isn't just another action cam. It's reportedly packing 8K 360 congruent video, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and 120 megapixel stills. Yes, 120 megapixel stills. Yes, 120. In single lens mode, you get 4K at 120 FPS with a 170 congruent field of view. For full 360, it's 6K at 60 FPS, plus invisible selfie stick support. Add in gesture control, voice activation, Wi-Fi 6, and a 5cm touchscreen, and this thing is built for creators. The Mic 3 is looking solid too. Tiny form factor, just 11.7 grams, redesigned charging case, and a dual TX-RX setup. DJI seems ready to go head-to-head with Rode and Hollyland on this one. But here's the catch, it only works with DJI's newer cameras via Osmo Audio, no support for older DJI mics unfortunately. As for the Osmo Nano, that mid-July launch, it's been pushed back to sometime after August. No official word why, but DJI is known for shifting dates when it suits them. And don't forget, August is packed, with the Mini 5 Pro drone rumored to drop around August 7, and the Nano floating in limbo. DJI's calendar is getting crowded fast. And here's that final twist. While July 29 is the expected date, insiders are hinting that it might only be a soft launch, with actual shipments not happening until early August. So if you're planning a day one upgrade, stay alert for pre-order news. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is the Osmo 360 enough to beat Insta360 and GoPro? And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you don't miss my upcoming full comparison video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.